What's up, you? Oh, well, fuck you. Oh, what's up, YouTube? I decided, yeah, YouTube. Sorry. I got bored. Decided to do a little fit bike check. First of all, we're gonna start off with the Fit Benny one, bars. They are, not his signature bars, but they're still they're bars, but they're really good. Um, Vans Colt grips with Vans bar ends. I would definitely recommend these grips. I mean, when I first got my friend first got them, and when I was riding his bike, I felt like there was no grips on it. They are just so soft. Um, I have a Benny One Lewis stem. It's a dark chrome red. I'm getting a Sunday Freeze stem, so yeah. Uh, Fit Forks Slate Blue. Fit front tire. I don't remember which one this one was. With a Etnies rims. What do you call it? Red chrome fit sprocket with fit pegs. Yeah, they're really nice. They're used up on the bottom. I need some new ones. I'll leave the frame for last. A fit pivotal seat. If you have one of those thick seats that are up here and you have it already all low but it's still thick and you want to buy a new sub, my recommendation is a fit seat. They are really, really soft. They have a lot of padding on them. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Okay. Alright, I have Etnies cranks, Fit PC plastic pedals with a Fit sprocket, KMC chain in red, Fit FAF tire. I got a new one. It has that red line. I don't know if you can see it. This right here. This right here is red. It's still new and everything. I haven't broken it in yet. Well, yeah, I have, but not that good. Back thing, Fit, back hub. It's nice. Etnies rims. Not fit. Barrel, valve caps. Fit pegs in the back too. Oh, Fit Benny One, frame. This frame is so light. I mean, I had a Fit Dugan, but this thing, Fit Benny, it is the lightest bike I've ever rode. I mean, this thing is lighter than a Miracle. They are light. Okay, I would so recommend getting one of these. Um, if you were gonna take off the brakes, I don't know if your parents will let you or anything, but if you are, all you gotta do is clip it, boom, done, and then take this off and you're done. It's like 5 minutes out of your time. Um, so here, let me show you the hub sound. Yeah. Oh wait, hold on. Yep, hub sound. Um, this bike, I've had it for 10 months, and this bike is so good. I mean, I would so recommend anyone. I got it at Adam Cyclist. I'm there every other day riding with friends and everything. So yeah, I order everything I usually get is from Adams. If they don't have it, I go off of Dance Comp. Dance Comp is the best website you could ever have. So I think that's it. Yeah.